Hello guys, in this video we will talk about Circle.so and give you a beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use this online community builder in 2025. So step 1, go to Circle.so and sign up for an account using your email or Google login. Step 2, once you are inside, you will be taken to your dashboard and you can click create community or create space and choose your community type and space name or community name. Step 3, you can choose the layout, which has Circle offers different layouts like spaces, feeds, and events. You can pick one based on how you want your members to interact. Step 4, customize your space. Add your branding by uploading your logo, changing the theme colors, and setting up your welcome message. Step 5, add spaces for discussions, courses, or events. Each space can be public, private, or secret depending on your content or strategy. Step 6, invite members using their email or share a public invite link. Step 7, set up automations under workflows, which you can auto-tag new members, send welcome DMs, or enroll users in a space after joining. Step 8, you can use integrations. Circle connects with Zapier, Stripe, Notion, and more, which is perfect for managing paid memberships or gated content. And now, you can start building your engaged online community with Circle.so. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.